Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to realestateinvestingadventures.com, REIA.fun for short. Why is that? Because real estate is always an adventure and a lot of fun. What am I going to talk about in this episode? I'm going to talk about the Wheel of Deals. Are you out there right now thinking about, well, Joe, you don't understand my market. It's tough finding deals. You don't understand. It's so hard to find good properties. Well, here's the thing I want to tell you. There's two areas of focus that you got to look at as part of the Wheel of Deals. Now, this is the new and improved Wheel of Deals. If you liked my other video, I hope you love this one even more. Number one, you are looking for deals through realtors, and number two, you're looking for off-market, unlisted deals. Now, often we can find good deals for a realtor. Where do we hit the home run? We hit the home run by off-market deals. So what I want to challenge all of you out there to do, I came up with a few ways up here, but I want to challenge you to come up with even more ways to find deals in your area. As I travel the country, I often hear from people, well, Joe, my area is a little bit different. My market's super hot. I can't find any deals, or I can't find any good deals through a realtor. Well, what I want to tell you, you need to find sometimes the right realtor that understands what you're looking for. As an investor, we cannot pay top dollar. We're looking for properties on sale or a deal. And sometimes when we're looking at those deals, we have to make an offer, another offer, a counter offer, another counter offer. You have to be persistent. And what has it taught me here in Florida when I go to the theme parks? You gotta have a lot of patience. So what is one way? Through realtors. Now that's plural, meaning more than one. If you only have one realtor and you say, well, Joe, my realtor Mabel, I've known her for years. I don't want to work with anybody but Mabel. You can do that, but you're limiting yourself. Why not have more than one realtor to help you and divide it up into area? One focus on the north side of town, another realtor on the south side of town, another realtor on the east side of town, and maybe another realtor on the west side of town. That way they're not tripping over each other or in traffic driving 2 hours to show you one home. You got to have a strong team of realtors, and that is one of the biggest pieces of your Wheel of Deal pie. It is. What else do you need to do? Bank-owned REOs. What does REO stand for? Real estate owned. Now with bank-owned REOs, here's the thing that you got to focus on. Small banks, small credit unions. Not these big, huge, behemoth type of banks that are nationwide. They don't care about that one or two bank-owned property they own in your market. They have thousands probably. So what are we looking for? The small local community bank or the small credit union? What do? You contact them. Now, if you're not quite sure what to say, you got to watch some of my other videos, because have I done videos on dealing with banks and REOs? I have. So make sure you watch some of the other videos if you want to learn more about how to deal with local small community banks. What's another piece of the Wheel of Deal? Right here, pre-foreclosures, off-market, unlisted. Can you go to your local county and get public record of people unfortunately in pre-foreclosure? You can. What do you need to do? Market to them to see if they're interested in having you purchase the property. If you have cash, can you purchase it? Can you do a rental or a flip? You can. If you don't have cash, could you maybe wholesale that property? It's all about the numbers. It's all about if they have equity or not. You got to focus on pre-foreclosures. There's a lot of investors in the area that they forget about them. They don't even do it. What's something else you got to do? Distressed properties. How often are you driving a neighborhood and you see a property with overgrown grass? You see phone books or mail stacking up on the stairs to the home. Maybe in the wintertime, if you're in a cold climate. I feel sorry for you in Florida. But if you're in the winter and it's cold and snowy and they talked about that Arctic freeze that came through, you look for unshoveled properties. Or here's another huge tip. When you see those chimneys, no smoke coming out of the chimney. The house is vacant, okay? That's a golden nugget tip. The other thing you can do is if you drive an area on garbage day and there's houses that consistently don't put out garbage cans, they could be vacant, or they can be an out-of-town owner, or it could be a rental, who knows? But here's the thing, you're looking for distressed properties. Now here's another piece, bird dogs. Who can be a bird dog to help you? Anyone and everyone. Family member, friends, neighbor, coworker, anybody. What is a bird dog? They're helping you with all these things. They're helping you when a property gets listed in your target market area. That's what they're doing, okay? How do they benefit? You might give them what I call a finder's fee. Now that finder fee for helping to find off-market unlisted property is helping them and helping you. So what do you want to do with bird dogs? Build an army. Lastly, for sale by owner. We call them FSBO. Are there properties out there that are for sale by owner? Maybe they're on Craigslist. Maybe they're listed on a for sale by owner site. Maybe people put out those little signs right in the front yard. You want to look for sale by owners. Now, why am I doing the Wheel a Deal and the improved version of the Wheel or Deal? I have even more wheels, but I can't share that with you today because I know our time is limited. If you look at some of my other videos in my advanced series, you're gonna see the extended cut of Wheel of Deals. So what does that mean? I have even more wheels. Maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, to give you ideas on how to find off-market unlisted property. I want to try to help you as much as I can. I want to share with you my experience and what I've done to find these deals. And I hope that this Wheel a Deal, the new and improved, helps you. And if you want more, you gotta check out my website, realestateinvestingadventures.com or reia.fun. Why? Because real estate is an adventure and it sure is a lot of fun. So until next time, live life in the moment with no regrets. Believe and achieve. Take care. Bye-bye.